Alright, this is just going to be a very quick video. I have lock nuts on here, which I recently lost the key because I believe I might have left it on the wheel last time I took it off, so who knows where it is. So I bought some new ones from AutoZone. They were 25 bucks, new key, and I need to take these off, but I don't have the key, so I'm using a 19mm 12-point socket, a little extension bar, and a 4-pound sledgehammer. I'm just going to hammer it on, then use my breaker bar to get it off, and then put the new one on. There you go, it's out. Now it is stuck. So I will talk about that shortly. So let's put the new one on first. Now there are probably multiple ways of getting this out. One is you could take a smaller extension bar, fit it in, and try to hammer it out, but I don't have a way of holding this. So what I do, or have been doing, is using the 1/2-inch extension bar, putting it right here in between the sidewalk, keep my foot on it, and then just using the 4-pound sledgehammer to knock it out. And there you go, it's out. Alright, there we have it. Consider liking the video if you found it helpful. Leave a comment below if you need any other tips or know any other tricks of getting these off. I'm doing this because I have to replace the wheel hub assembly and the CV axle, and last week I took off the front 2 tires, but I misplaced the lock key, so I believe I might have left it on, and as I drove away it fell off. Join me in 2 weeks. It'll be a 2-part video of replacing the wheel hub assembly and the CV axle. See you then.